Hey guys, today I'm discuss topic about that how you can promoting your business on Google without your website. So a lot of people worry about that. So I don't have my website. How you can approach my people by using without website also. In this purpose, we have to create option will be called Google AdWords. So question will be there. So without website also we can promoting for Google Ads. It is possible or not? The compulsory is possible in this option. So what is the possibilities? The possibility today we can check. In this Google AdWords, the campaign will be given by the two campaigns, text ad and we can go to the search network and smart campaign AdWords. In this, the website is not required for the particular option. In this purpose, we have to go option will be called Google AdWords. In this, we can go to your sign in, your option will be here. So this is the campaign option. In this campaign option, we have to go for option will be here. That is called select new campaign. In this, first of all, they give the certain categories are here. But in this category, compulsory will be sale, lead generation, everything will be there. In this particular option will be here, search. Your website visit, phone call, shop visit, app download, and lead form submission. This all will be mandatory field. Here, get customer calls to visit your shop, friend with automated ads that show your Google and Google Maps. Without website also we can promoting, the option will be called maybe map, maybe YouTube channels. Without YouTube channel, without website also we can promote it. That is called we can creating for custom Google document form. Anything possible to promote your business. If your website will be there, we have to website we can adding for particular option. But in this ad, we can create without website, how can you promote your business, get the leads. In this purpose, we have to selecting for any option will be there, lead everything. But in the best campaign is called, go to for smart campaign. In this, what we can go for, call to your business. Only we can get the business by calls option. No need for any website. If anyone is asking question, without website, how we can promote your website on Google Ads? The campaign name is called Smart Campaign. There's two things. Visit to your shop friend, call to your business. Select your call to your business and continue. We can go to the one by one steps. Now they go to your steps will be here. In this, I'm not adding for any particular option will be here. So this is a particular campaign will be there. We can go to the particular map will be compulsory selected here. In this smart campaign, compulsory selecting for map option. So you don't have any map, go back, complete. Here is a map option. If you know map will be there, just close, create new campaign. In this, select here, search, here selecting for phone call. You can start your option will be here. This is a particular option will be selecting for in this option. If his map is there, we can go to the smart campaign. That is called no website will be required. Only we can promoting through maps. If we want no maps are there, we can go to where? Search. You can getting a phone call, you can promote it. It's already discussed in my channel. The video will be there into my channel. We can promoting search network with getting the phone call. That will be there by in the my channel will be option is added by in this particular video. So go to that video and read it. Now I'm showing for without website, I can promote only for phone call along with the Google Maps. Now I'm start this campaign. I'll show the video here. Now this is your particular campaign option. Promote your business with the Google AdWords. You can follow this video will be here. Just a few months back I'm creating for this one. Now this ad will be creating for without website. I can promote your phone call by business using for Google Maps. Now we can go for smart campaign, call to your business. Here, just you can go to here, select your website map. Without map, we can't create the smart campaign ads. You can compulsory keep it in mind. Without map, we can't create the smart campaign ads. So first of all, we can decide, we can target local audience or global audience. We can target by the global audience also, like United States. But we can target by smart campaign for local audience purpose. Based on map, we can target for 5 kilometers up to 65. So how many radians we target? And target radians will be up to 40 kilometers. I can target up to 40 kilometers. After next steps, you can always find out. First, you can select the map. Second, you can target audience will be local audience and global wise. So I'm selecting will be local audience. Suppose here you can doubt how you can find out the local audience. Just I'm searching in the US option. So our map will be showing to the US persons. Searching will be here. For when searching will be Hyderabad. So anything will be here. This is your particular map will be shown to customers. An ad will be shown to will be here. With our website, they're showing only for phone call option. Now, next. After that, you can selecting for keyword selection. What are the keywords? Web design. So I can only for promoting for system marketing agency. So your option will be here, search engine optimization. So what are the options will be here? Marketing agency, advertising agency, digital agency. Now this is a particular customer, 1,97,209. After that, next in this, we can finally creating ad. So first title will be adding for up to 30 characters. So you can give here, promote your website, builder, or in this, we can give this. So we can give by now address will be showing here. So ad we can show to the customer will be here. Google search, Google map, Google partner site. Google partner site will be nothing but any website approved by the Google AdSense. In this website, they're showing our ad will be mapping types. So right now is no mapping will be here. Any mapping will be there. They're showing for mapping in this particular option. So this all will be, we can show to customer will be in this particular option. Now, just click for done. Finally, select your website and map. Here will be I'm selecting for map. I don't have promoting for website. Where you can add the phone number. We can finally is ask your particular phone number information will be here. Finally, select your information. Click for next. Set of your budget will be your option. 480 for daily average, 14,000 monthly budget, 770 for daily average, 23,000. 1738 daily average 52,000. You can add your minimum budget. The minimum budget we can adding for 460, 450 onwards. They will be adding for 450 onwards. Less than 450 don't add in. The main budget will be up to 500 will be the best budget will be selected for in this option. So there is a 500 monthly 15,200. The reach estimation will be 10,430 to 70,480 people will be reached. Get 450 to 7 ad clicks per month. You're spending for 15,200 rupees. It's completely expensive for in the particular ad. When you're spending for 15,200, your reach will be monthly 10,430 to 17,410 people, and get clicks will be happen 450 to 760 clicks will be happen to the in a particular option. Set your budget. Finally, click for next. So compulsory, when you're adding for budget time, compulsory you have to set the all options mandatory field. Click for next. Daily average, they can't show you anything. They're showing everything will be here. They will be showing only for monthly average traffic and clicks. You are spending for 15,000. The clicks will be how many per month? Only for 450 to 760 clicks. Go to next. A lot of people ask one question: what does it mean by impression? What does it mean by clicks? When people watching any kind of ads, suppose you can see any type of ads will be watch. They will be called impression. When you click, the charges will be appear. So now we'll be here. So everything will be here. Finally, click for next. Anything changes will be needed. You can click for it and change your option before click the next option. First of all, check the all things and finally click for next button. I can finish everything correct. So I'm go for in this. So right now is inactive. The reason is called my active account will be inactive stage. So when it is a reactive, my ad will be start in the particular inactive stage. What is the reason of inactive state? I'm not adding for budget. The reason is called is inactive stage. When I'm activate in account, is also activate the ad in the budget. The ads will be start on the particular Google AdWords campaign. With our website, we can promoting two ways: search campaign, smart campaign. In the smart campaign, we can promoting through maps along with phone number. But search campaign only we can promoting phone number. The particular ad will be create, and you can add in the Google Sheet form, add your search console form. People will be click, come into your Google form, and they will be fill up the form. They request your inquiry on the particular ads. So these are the method we can follow in the particular Google AdWords. Anyone asking question, can you create any ads without website? Will we create? The one is the Google Maps along with phone number. Second will be creating search with the phone number. Will be create along with the search and display ads. So these are the method we can follow to create the Google AdWords and the particular promote your Google to increase the business leads purpose. Anytime you can click the pause option, pause. But anytime they're asking for feedback, compulsory they will ask. That time if you give the feedback, or else close the feedback and continue it. This is a procedure we can follow on the creating ads on the Google without website.